And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we'll be going over Vapornodes. Vapornodes has been around for about 2 months already. It was launched late December and the project continues. Their nodes work a little differently from your standard structure. We'll take a visit here on Vapornodes. We'll go over the app, how it functions, how to create your node, and the minimum barrier to entry. We'll also look at any rewards or taxes. And I made a Vapornodes calculator. Here you can do some projections, and I have some percentages and position payoff days here. And there's also a Diamond Hands claim forecaster and a compound and Diamond Hands bonus forecaster. So a lot of great tools. And in addition, if you're using my nodes portfolio tracker, I've been receiving a lot of questions about how to add Vapornodes into this portfolio tracker. So I'll show you which cells you need to configure. It's very easy. It's only one of them, and I'll show you how that works. We have a lot to uncover in this video. Let's not waste any time and take it from the top. Community-driven DeFi protocol, a truly decentralized protocol earning investors passive income. If we scroll down, it shows what is Vapornodes. And basically this is a governance project in which they will be using the money to invest in other projects. It shows here node minimum. You need 1,000 Vapornode tokens to make one node. The rate of return is 1%, daily return on your investment. You can track them on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. The symbol is VPND. And let's take a look at the app. If we launch the app, I'll take you here, and here's the app. This is a dashboard. At the top right, you see how many running nodes are running right now. That's almost about 51,000 nodes running. This is the price of VPND, Vapornodes. It's 0.06536. You need at least 1,000 Vapornode tokens to make one node times 0.065. That's $65 right now if you want to make one Vapornode. And they offer a 1% return on your investment per day. They also have some rewards there for those of you who hold and compound those returns. We'll go over the tax and fees and bonuses after we go over the app. Here's the dashboard to create a node. I just created a node to test out the platform, and here is the dashboard. I have 10 Vapornodes to claim as of now. I did do one node with a minimum of 1,000 tokens, and it shows here the amount of tokens I invested. It has RPC location. You can actually configure the RPC location into your MetaMask wallet and make the transactions more efficient when you create nodes and when you pay gas fees. The last claim here, 1 day ago, I haven't claimed any. Here are the rewards at my daily APR, and I do have a compound bonus of 25% as of now. I'll explain this after we go over the app. They do have a referral system. They do have a calculator here to calculate your future returns. And it shows here, our calculator does not take into account Diamond Hands bonus or different compounding strategies. You can do some quick calculations here to see the kind of returns you'll be expecting. But I did make a calculator that you can strategize and go over these different rates. Next, we have the documentation here, and we have the governance where they have the snapshot, the treasury, and they have a merch store where they sell merchandise. They have a Discord, a Twitter, and a YouTube. The founders are docs and fully public, so you can find them on YouTube and on Twitter. So it's a pretty transparent project there. So far, no funny business in the past 2 months. Let's go to the rewards. A Vaporfy node generates base reward of 1% of its value daily, distributed every minute. In addition to that, the rewards can be further enhanced through 2 additional bonuses, Diamond Hands bonus and compound bonus. Let's read what Diamond Hands bonus is. If you allow your rewards to accumulate and not claim them, the Diamond Hands bonus will activate. The Diamond Hands bonus will enhance your unclaimed rewards based on the number of days you have not claimed your rewards. The following shows the Diamond Hands reward levels. Level 0, rewards within the first 3 days gets no boost. Level 1, rewards not claimed for 3 days gets a 1.05 boost. Level 2, rewards not claimed for 7 days gets a 1.2 boost. And level 3, rewards not claimed for 15 days or more gets a boost of 1.4. And they have some examples here of how that boost works. In addition, if you compound your profits, you still get those boosts. The boost rewards don't restart when you compound. This is only when you claim. And it does show here, every time you claim your rewards, there is a 10% claim tax on your unclaimed rewards. They have some scenarios here of how this works. I'll explain it in my calculator. They also have a compound bonus. Instead of claiming your rewards, you can choose to compound those rewards back into your nodes, growing them, because a Vaporfy node generates a base reward of 1% of its value daily. When it grows bigger, so does your daily rewards. There is a maximum of 5 nodes per wallet. Vaporfy has also implemented a tier system that can reward small nodes in a sustainable way when they compound. This will allow smaller nodes to grow bigger quicker. The tier system is described in the table below. Depending how many tokens you have, this is a compound bonus you'll be receiving every time you compound. If your node size, if it's between 1,000 to 4,999 tokens, you'll receive a 25% compound bonus. If the node you have holds between 5,000 to 9,999 tokens, your compound bonus is 15%, 10%, and 0% if you're holding over 20,000 tokens. Another thing I forgot to mention, the minimum to make one node is 1,000 tokens. But you can create a node with any denomination here. There is no different tiers. You can invest 25,000 tokens, 100,000 tokens. You can invest as much as you want. There is no limit to the amount of tokens you can invest. It's just that there is a minimum of 1,000 tokens to create one node, and you can create up to 5 nodes. So that's pretty cool. And here it gives you some scenarios. It does note here, every time you compound your rewards, there is a 1% compound tax on your unclaimed rewards. And yes, this is stackable. The diamond hands and the compound bonus is stackable. And if you do compound, you do not lose the level of diamond hands bonus. That's pretty awesome. How can I buy VPND tokens? This is part of the Avalanche network and you can buy it in Trader Joe. If you go back to the app, you can click up here and click buy on Trader Joe. It will launch the app. You click I understand here, continue. And it will generate it here. You need AVAX to be able to buy that Vapor node. There is a section here that says, is the liquidity locked? Yes, the liquidity pool was initially funded with $12.50 worth of AVAX, and the resulting LP tokens were locked for over a year. That's 420 days to be precise. I know this project launched about 2 months ago, so they don't have access to these tokens until at least the beginning of next year. So that is still pretty safe there. The rest of the liquidity obtained by the protocol is directly burned and will never be transferred or removed. So now let's take a look at the calculator. This is more of a projection table calculator and it's very easy to use. If we zoom in here, you have all the contract information. If you want to add the token into your wallet, here's the network information. If you don't have the Avalanche network into your MetaMask, you can add it here with this information. Here's the website, the Twitter, their Discord, and where to buy. You also have the price here, live quotes of Vapornodes. And you can refresh the price just to make sure you have the latest quote there. If we go back, it reads here blue equals input. And if you ever get lost, you can come back here to the video reference to this video to see how this works. So the way you use this calculator is you input your information here in the blues and the rest is calculated for you. So for my example, I bought one node that's 1,000 tokens. I go here and I type it in here, 1,000. When I bought that node, it cost me $74. So you type it in there, $74. And the current rate of return is 1% daily. The calculator will calculate the rest. After you put this information, it generates your first year breakdown. This is including the sunk cost. The position payoff days, it will take 101 days for you to recoup your tokens. The daily reward is 1%. The APR, this is including the sunk cost for the first year, is 265%. The start node tokens is 1,000 tokens. Start node value was $74. You put it here. Year-end node profit. This is how much money you'll be making after the end of the year, $196 with your $74 investment. Now let's just say you claim at the end of the year-end diamond hands bonus would be $78. So we add the year-end node profit of $196 plus the diamond hands bonus. You get the price here of year-end node profit with bonus is $274.54. which will earn you a 371% return on your investment on the first year. The rates after position payoff. So after your position is paid off in 101 days, these are the rates. The APR is 365%. That's 1% per day in 1 year. And if you were to sell that position at the end of the year, year-end APR with Diamond Hands bonus, that's a 511% return. Not too shabby. Now, if you look at the table basically tells you where you're at after X amount of days. Before we get started, this is how much I paid, and you can change this number at any time to forecast these returns. When I bought this, it was $74, but the current price right now is 0.0651, which is around $65. So let's put here, right now it's $65 a node value. So day one, you'll be making 65 cents. Day two, you'll be up $1.30, so on and so forth. This table does not have any compounding or diamond hand bonus, but it does have the year-end diamond hand bonus there if you were to claim at the end of the year. And it tells you where you will be at based on the amount of days you were invested. It'll show you how much money you're making. And it goes up to 365 days here. It ends here. So at the end of the year, you would be at $237. So it's just a handy visual representation table there. And that's why the breakdown here shows you what it would be if you were to sell at the end of the year with that diamond hand bonus. Now, let's say you want to calculate those bonuses at the current rate. Here are the numbers we went over from the previous pages. Here are the boosts, and here are the percentages. Make a note, these are subject to change. So before you use the calculator, just make sure you're using the current rates. At the time of this recording, these are the current rates. So let's just say I want to claim 200 tokens right now. The current price of Vapornodes here. You enter this manually here. So this is separate from the rest of the table. Let's just say the current price is 0.69. Let's just say that you're holding for, I don't know, 20 days. So you got a 1.4 boost there, diamond hands. And there is a 10% claim tax there. So according to these metrics, if you want to claim right now with that diamond hands, you're paying 28 tokens in taxes. That's $1.93. The claim with boost there, you're claiming $19.32 with the boost. Claim after boost and tax, you're claiming 252 tokens, which brings you claim after boost and tax. Dollar amount, $17.39. Breaks down all the fees for you by just putting these four figures. Now, if you don't have any boost, you can just put 0 here and it will bypass the boost there. Let's put it back. And that's how the Diamond Hands Claim Bonus Forecaster works. Now, if you want to compound, you go to this calculator. You put the tokens you want to compound, the current price of VPND, the boost, the compound bonus there. Let's just say this one is 0. And you have, let's just say 1.05 there boost on this one. And here is the compound tax, 1%. It shows you how much you're paying in taxes, 2.10 tokens. The tax is 15 cents there. This is a compound with boost and bonus, the tokens. This is a compound with boost and bonus dollar amount, $14. And this is the compound after boost and bonus with tax, 207 tokens there. And this is after the compound boost and bonus and taxes there. Actually, $14.41. So this is the quickest way to calculate those rewards if you're thinking about claiming or compounding. And here's a quick calculator if you want to do some quick calculations. You input information on the first cell, then the second, and it will trigger this action here. And that's how you use the Vapornodes calculator. This one was a little different from the calculators I normally make. This is just more of a forecaster. It's very flexible, and you have to type in all the information in the blues. The price here is just for reference. The price is not generating anything in this calculator. Everything is separate. And for those of you who are using my notes portfolio tracker, this is what you need to do if you want to track your Vapor nodes. Let's use my node as an example. The name is CryptoKoinz 1. So I'll copy this. I'll go back and I'll paste it here. CryptoKoinz 1, that's the name of the node. Number of nodes, I have 1. The purchase date was yesterday, so I'll put 3/19/2022. The total cost here, I believe, was $76. Let's put $76. tokens per node. I bought 1,000 tokens there. And the rewards per node is a formula here for this one. Since it's 1%, what you want to do is you go equals this cell, F21, times 0.01%. Enter. And it will calculate your rewards per node. It doesn't matter how many tokens your node has. This will always calculate the exact rewards per node. I was getting a little thrown off. How is this worth $38 million? It's generating Bitcoin's price. So by default, I just put Bitcoin's price for you to refresh the coin market cap URL there with the project that you're investing in. So obviously this is incorrect. I guess we can do the demo there for the price as well, since we're here. So you go to coin market cap, you look for Vapornodes. Here it is, VPND. Then I'll go up here. I'll copy this. Come back to the calculator. Go up here to the price. Look for the Bitcoin URL here in between the two quotes. Delete that and then paste the new one here. And this will give me the Vapornodes price there. So now this is correct. It gives me my node value, the tokens invested, my average cost there per node. My return on investment date there is June 17th. The rewards I'm earning per day, per week, per month, and per year. So there we go. So if you would like a copy of the Vapornodes calculator and or the nodes portfolio tracker, the Vapornodes calculator is file 17_Vapornodes, and the nodes portfolio tracker is file 11_nodes portfolio tracker. You need to come to Patreon and join my calculators tier. Join here and you'll have access to these calculators and any other calculator I've created. Once you do that, you go to Patreon, you look for the file name. It will pull up the link. Click on the link, I'll take you to this file, and then you go to File, make a copy of this file for yourself, and you'll be able to configure this file. And same for the nodes portfolio tracker. You go to File, make a copy, and make a copy of this one as well. I have full tutorials there on the nodes portfolio tracker. If you go to my YouTube channel and you scroll down on the home page, I have a crypto calculators playlist here where it says Patreon files, and these are all the calculators I've made. You could come here for any reference. If you click on any video, for instance this one right here, if you scroll down, go to show more, it tells you the Patreon file name there so that you can find it in Patreon. You can also click on the playlist and it will give you a playlist of all the calculators I've made. And here's the nodes portfolio tracker step-by-step tutorial spreadsheet, part 1 of 2, and here's part 2 of 2. And that's how you gain access to my calculators. If you guys made it this far, I really appreciate it. YouTube likes it when you guys watch it until the end. Thank you very much. If you found this video of any value, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And also comment down below. Let me know what node project has been the most profitable in your portfolio and what you guys think about Vapornodes. So that's going to do it for this one. Thank you very much, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.